Welcome back to my channel, guys. It's spoopy season and we're gonna have a drink of blood. Just kidding, it's just wine. But today I wanted to make a video about my hair. I usually talk about makeup on my channel, but I want to talk about what I want to talk about today. So it's gonna be 10 things I hate about my hair. Now, you might not know, but my hair is about the size of a full-grown child. So give me 1 second, I'm gonna put this down. I want to talk about my hair today because I have extremely long hair and I always go on YouTube to find things about long hair. Now usually when people think long hair, it's like buy your bra or something like that. That's not long for me, okay? That was manageable for me. That was about 4 years ago for me, okay? That's not me anymore. I can't find anything other than how to wash your hair with natural products, which I already do. Okay, so I already washed my hair with natural products, so I'm already there. When I try to find how to do your hair when you have really long hair, there's nothing. There's like girls with 18-inch hair, okay? That must be nice. But my hair, I'm gonna pull you back. Okay, so probably wearing black is not that great of an idea, but my hair is longer than my shorts. Let's just say that. It's longer than my shorts. And I can't find anywhere. Oh, and this is, by the way, this is my hair without any product, without, just air dried basically out of the shower. So this is it. All right, so let's get started. The first thing I hate about my hair is when I'm getting into the car, I'm inside of the car, but my hair is still locked outside of the car. So that's problem number one. Most of you may not know what that feels like. That fucking hurts, okay? That hurts. The second thing I hate about my hair is trying to get up, or trying to move and you're already sitting on your hair, so you just end up like this, trying to get up or trying to scoot it anywhere. That's not fun. Had to take a drink for that one. Problem number three is when I'm walking around my carpet, there's always like this anaconda sized hair wrapped around my toes. It's fucking disgusting, I know. But it gets stuck everywhere, okay? My husband wakes up with like a hair wrapped around his arm. That's not fun. My toes, they get wrapped around, like, you know, my hair wraps around my toes. Problem number four, or the fourth thing I hate about my hair, would be my vacuum is always breaking down. There's always like a full head of hair stuck in the little roller thing. So we always have to cut that out. And it's pretty scary how much hair falls out of my head. Like, you'd be surprised how thick my hair is. And then seeing how much hair falls out of my head every single day. So that's a problem. So that's problem number four. It's not about problems, it's about things I hate. Thing that I hate about my hair, number five, I can no longer put it in a bun. Trying to put it in a bun, which I'll show you right now, it'll go in the bun, but then it'll start sagging down or sagging this way or sagging that way, and it'll just pull at my head like all day. It's so annoying, it's not fun, so I'm gonna show you. And then just the whole process of me trying to put it in a bun is also crazy. And if you ever say, like, try the donut, yeah, that does not work. My hair, like, imagine trying to roll a donut through this, okay? That is not fun. It just doesn't work. I've tried it. I've actually tried, I believe, almost anything. So this is the bun. Okay, two, it's not gonna look very cute because after a while, like, if it does stay, it's gonna be a really weird looking bun. Like that messy girl or messy hair bun that looks cute on most girls. Like, it does not work for me. This is how it is most of the time. I mean, okay, now it wants to look kind of good, but most of the time, this is how it is. And if I'm gonna be like this, I better not move my hair at all, look down at all, or go outside in the wind because it's not going to last. And after a while, it just hurts my head because it's heavy. So that's another problem. We're not gonna put that in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down because I also hate that it rips my hair. I hate putting it in a bun now because I feel like after a while I'm gonna have like no edges or too many edges. or my edges are just gonna like wave goodbye to me. Okay, see, this is another thing. There we go. Okay, so going into number 6. Okay, so like I mentioned before, I always go on YouTube to find like how to style my hair. Well, it's a whole planned event trying to style your hair. My favorite way to style it is just down. Sometimes it looks really cute when it's air dried or slept over. Like when I wake up in the morning, it's nice and soft and like oils have been able to build up on it and stuff like that. So that's one thing. But usually what I like to do is I curl my hair and just let it flow, or I curl my hair, put it in a ponytail, or I do 2 braids, sometimes 1 braid if I'm going to work. But yeah, it has to be a whole planned event to do my hair. I have to like plan it the day before, try it out, because if I try it the day of, anywhere where I'm trying to go, it's just not gonna be fun. I'm gonna be stressed out and I'm probably gonna end up in a braid. So that's not cute always. I mean, braids are cute, but you know what I mean. Okay, so I think I'm in number 7 now. So another thing that I really hate that everybody thinks it's cute to do to me is I get yaga'd a lot. Like, if you know, you know, like I'm walking around with a ponytail and then my husband will go, yaga. And then I just like go backwards. I get yaga'd and like, it's not fun, you know? I mean, it's funny at the moment, but you know, it's not cute when other people you don't know try to do it, or you do know, but you still don't want them to touch your hair to do it, like my coworkers or my boss. She does that too. But number 8 is trying to kneel down and pick up anything off the floor when I have like my hair in a ponytail, when I have my hair in 2 braids or just down. I have to be really careful, or I have to like go like this to try to get down and pick something up, because it will just sweep the floor and nobody wants that, especially if you just washed your hair. No one wants floor on their hair, okay? So that's my point. So that's my issue. That's my biggest issue. Like just kneeling down to get anything. It's a problem. It's a task. It's a whole workout trying to like get your hair out of the floor. It's not fun. Okay, so the thing I hate, number 9 about my hair, is even when you do get in the car and your hair does not stay outside of the car and you're trying to like drive somewhere and you try to get out of the car, the seatbelt goes takes all your hair with it, or at least this side of the head takes all your hair with it. So it's not fun. Your hair gets yanked, your hair gets pulled out. It's not cute. You don't want it in your life. The 10th thing I hate about my hair is getting my hair done is like a no-go for me. Imagine trying to pay like $200, $300 just to get your hair done because your hair length is crazy. I did choose it. Who am I lying? Who am I kidding? What am I talking about? Getting my hair done is just not gonna happen for me, at least professionally. Like I've gone for a trim myself, or no, I've trimmed my hair myself because I don't wanna find out how much it is to get my hair trimmed at a salon. I don't wanna pay that, okay? I just need some scissors and like to cut the ends off. I haven't cut my hair in about okay, my friend's baby is 3, so 3 years ago is the last time I got my hair cut by somebody else, professional, not professional. She did it at home. So her baby was still in her belly and now he's 3 years old, so that's how I know. After that, I've just been trimming it myself because I'm scared to have anybody else touch it. I don't know if everybody else has experienced this, but when you go onto a salon or into a salon, you ask them to get a trim and then they just decide to take like 5 inches off your hair because they know better. Like, no, I don't want you to do that. I want you to cut an inch off. I'll be back next month or 3 months from now and you can cut another inch. You know, we can just do this every 3 months. I don't want you cutting everything off at once. I don't want that. I get freaked out. I'm attached to my hair, okay? If I didn't have a problem with it, I would just have it chopped off in a bob like I did almost 10 years ago, okay? So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I'm going to show you my hair one last time. This is it. This is my hair. It's mine. It's not a weave. Wish it was. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. I know I've been gone forever and it's probably gonna happen again. Hopefully not though. Talk to you guys later. Deuces.